Hey guys, we just came from Da Nang, and this is a whole bunch of stuff we bought there. It's a mall, obviously, just like it's a grocery store, 3 stories high. We spent about $220 and all this stuff to include the mall. So, but I'm gonna show you what our condominium here in Da Nang looks like. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. And we pay a little bit under $600. When you turn on the light, everything is censored, so you can come in. Once you walk to the right, we have a bathroom. It's a full-scale bathroom. This is my daughter's bathroom, Stephanie, from LSD. The S is Stephanie. Then you come over here. This is our workstation right here. This is also our shoe. By the way, let me take off my shoes. I don't want a mess. We just had the apartment cleaned for Tet, which is the lunar year here. So this has all the shoes. It has drawers, and we have a lot of scenting stuff for this unit here. And we have it in every room. This is my husband's workstation. This is a dining room. We normally don't use it. This is in the other bedroom. Also, we have this camera. If somebody rings the doorbell, we can see them, talk to them through here. This is the other bedroom, which is my daughter. And as you can see, she has all this. She has a lot of storage. She has another one of these. She has her closet space. She doesn't want anyone to look at it because she doesn't have it a mess. But anyway, there's plenty of storage space up there. That's storage, and the bed has storage underneath. And she has a desk if she wants to work out of there. This also, so there's plenty of storage here. And this is like a full-size bed, mirror, back. So moving from here, we go to the kitchen area, and in the kitchen area we have, again, plenty of storage. As you can see, these are drawers. We have plenty of things in the drawers. We have plenty of stuff. This actually, a lot of units have it. It actually comes down, okay, and you can put your stuff to
what's a drying rack?
Yeah, it's a drying rack. If you want to use it, do not use it for that. We have a full-size refrigerator, which is very convenient here, and we're gonna bring the stuff in. Up here we have tons of stuff, storage again. I have this is all my teas. They drink a lot of tea here. This is my microwave. We have a full-size oven, which is very rare when it comes to this. We have air fryer,
Toaster.
The kettle. Everybody has kettle.
Toaster.
A toaster, and we also have
Hold on the light.
this area, which is very rare to have, and it has the drying rack, which is remote control. Which I've never used actually. So it comes down when you hang your clothing, it goes up, you know, and you can do a lot of
Pause it.
Oh.
Stop it.
Okay.
Put it back
well,
up.
I'm gonna put it back up, and then here's the remote control for that. So as you can see, plenty of storage, and the kitchen is fully equipped. Most of the stuff has been here, but we bought a lot of it because this is our stopping place when we go out and do a lot of traveling as well. This, as you can see, is where we watch TV, but just so you know, all the curtains are remote control. So you have the blackout curtains, remote control, the white curtains. If you don't want the glare, but it also, they go to the side so you can have the nice balanced type of curtains. It really looks nice when it's, you know, on the side. And we also have a pretty big balcony So here's our balcony. And as you can see, this complex here is pretty large. Okay, we are right across from the Dragon Bridge. If you can see it all the way over there. You see the Khan River, which is right there to your left. And these are all restaurants. And underneath our own building, we have tons of restaurants, hair places, everything underneath. Every building are stores. Everything underneath. So, and of course, this is the year of the horse. So we bought these things, and we bought that one, the year of the horse, and then we move into our main bedroom that has its own bathroom, and this is our main bedroom. This is not the typical shower that you find in typical Vietnamese homes. Normally they don't have this. We wanted something like this, so everything's enclosed and not everything gets wet when you take a shower. Also, every bathroom, whether it's a public bathroom, a mall bathroom, or an apartment, has a bum gun. So, and if you can see down there, if you clean the floor, everything goes down. This is very, very useful. Here is our bedroom. Again, drawers underneath the beds, drawers underneath here, drawers over here, drawers underneath this this bench, which is right under the window, and also this is also remote control. So I can open it up more, I can close it. This is my husband's side, so he has all his stuff here. This is a queen size bed, and we have plenty of storage, not only over here, but also over here. So one side is mine. I don't have a lot of stuff in there, because you really don't need a lot of stuff when you travel. And this is my husband's side. And up there, there's also more stuff. So anyway, let me show you the opening of the windows, of the curtains, I mean. And as you can see, we have a great view. Most of the time I keep it from here. Again, you can see, you can sit on the bench. It is cushioned. So this is an awesome, we pay less than $600 for a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condominium in this is a pretty touristy area. I mean, literally, we hardly ever cook. By the way, I did want to show you this. If you look here, it has a full stove. But I don't cook. I never cooked in the States. I never learned how to cook. So I bought this to make, let's say, eggs in the morning. If we do want to do the coffee. So I put this on. I bought this. If you want to cook, there's the thing there. I've never used the oven, and we've been here for over 6 months now. I buy these things so these things don't get dirty, and now we just bought stuff to put these utensils in. But there's also they have this all over. Okay, I mean, you know, you can't get any better than this. And that's it. Just so you know, this is a tour of our 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment, and it's under $600. I mean, where can you get that in the United States? You just can't. So I hope you enjoy the tour, and remember to subscribe, like, and share our LSD. L is for Laz, my husband. S is for my daughter Stephanie, who's filming me. And D is for Digna, me, your host, Family Travels. See you next time.